Bam, 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 bam. All right, so if you're thinking you're too old to excel or unclear about your path, here's a little inspiration. Men who excelled at a late stage. So I'm going to give you some names and tell you what they've done. All right, so first one is Henry Ford. At 40, Ford created the revolutionary model car in 1908.
Okay.
Model T car in 1908.
All right.
At 40 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah. The second one is what?
Sam Walton founded the first Walmart in 1962, and many persons, almost everybody know Walmart.
Yeah, everyone has been to a Walmart, I am sure. The next one,
right?
Stan Lee, one of my all-time favorites, created his first hit comic, The Fantastic Four, just shy of his 39th birthday in 1961. Then the Marvel Universe was created, and sadly he left us at age 95. So great franchise was the Marvel. I love all the comics, I love all the movies.
Yeah. You're a movie person?
I love Marvel movies.
Okay.
Love them.
Okay. Yeah. All right, so next up we have Donald Fisher. He was 40 and no experience in retail when he and his wife Doris opened Gap store in 1969.
You know, may I realize there's a little trend.
40.
40
40s
and
the year.
1960s.
Yeah, man, 40s the year.
Yeah, 40 and the 1960s. I mean, Henry Ford was 1908, but Sam Walton 1962, Stanley 1961, Fisher 1969.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's 40 is the age. But this one, Samuel L. Jackson. If you don't know who that is,
I know, right?
Too young. You're too young. He's been in Hollywood for years, and he had only gotten bits and pieces, small parts before landing an award-winning role at the age 43.
Yeah, 40 again.
43. 40 playing a cash pot? 40 not playing a cash pot.
40.
No? I got 40. Yeah, he starred in Spike Lee's film Jungle Fever in 1991. That's the year we were born.
I wasn't born yet, actually.
You were born in 91?
No, I'm born 92.
92. Yeah. She's younger than me.
All right, yeah. Next up, we have Highland Saunders, now better known as Colonel Saunders. He was 62 when he franchised Kentucky Fried Chicken in 1952.
62?
Wow.
Hey, it's never too late.
So it seems to me like the men will actually find the secret between the 40s and the 60s.
Yeah, because we figure out life later on. Like, we take long to figure out life, you know. That's why they say sometimes boys don't grow up until them reach
40.
35, 40.
40.
But we also, I mean, we're highlighting men of excellence and great men. And we have some great men who work in our studio.
Yeah, we do.
I don't know if they want to come on camera, Chad and Marvin and Soji, but I really want to highlight these men because the magic happens.
Big up Prince inside
and Prince,
as well.
yeah, I can't forget Prince. The magic happens and you see us on TV all the time, but these men are doing the real hard work.
Yeah.
You know, the real hard work.
And
so
we're blessed, I would say.
Yeah,
big up yourself
blessed.
to Excel. Big up yourself. You're young still, you know. You don't reach 40 yet, but go on at it. Keep at it.
I appreciate it. I mean, and we're all, and we're coming to the end of November, and you know, International Men's Day and Child's Month. But as the days go by, as the weeks go by, we should take time out to, you know, just congratulate people, whether it's big or small. No matter what you win, you know, like it could have been.
As you said earlier, you know, celebrate your wins.
Your wins.
No matter how small, just celebrate those wins and keep celebrating them.
Yeah, man, and don't shy away from because that's one thing I've been telling people. Don't shy away from celebrating your wins because you don't want to. Some people don't want to celebrate because they feel like other people aren't achieving. Yeah, but you got through so much. Like you put in a whole heap of hard work. You celebrate what you work for, man.
I really think
celebrate
so.
it, man.
But the Colonel one, they lick me for 60.
At 62.
Yeah, that's how I didn't find the secret, and the secret is still keeping.
Listen.
Right now, KFC I try to get people to tell them secret. And I know when I hear I know Colonel secret is a problem.
Boy, I tell you though, you know.
Oh gosh.
We have some great key secrets here in Jamaica as well, because I think about food, and I think about the pudding man in St. Anne. The best pudding.
Yes, everybody knows that pudding stop. everybody knows that pudding stop for true. Like, it's serious.
Yeah, and we have so many people who are doing great things. It's always food for me. You have the peanut man on Spur Tree Hill with peanut
You're talking where they sell the corn and thing right there, so that stretch here, you have some nice things for true.
What?
You really have some nice secrets. Look at, we're not even going to get into Hellshire.
Oh my gosh, we don't even want to reach this.
Right now,
I think they put something in the fish.
in the oil.
Right? It's something,
It was the oil.
something in there.